You are watching KITV4 News This Morning.
Okay, well, if you've caught the bouquet at a wedding or want the centerpiece at a party, don't throw it away. We've got some fantastic tips on how you can recycle that flower arrangement and lengthen the use of it. Joining us in the studio this morning, Kathy Lee, joining us again. Good morning.
Happy Easter.
You too, happy Easter. Here with some great ideas for Homestyle Sunday. And let's start over here. I mean, this is a fantastic arrangement.
Thank you, Laura. I just came back from a wedding last night where I was a bridesmaid.
Nice. Those are beautiful too.
Yes, they are. So I took home a big bouquet because I wanted to share with our audience how you really can lengthen the life and the enjoyment of these.
And that's great because this is not cheap, I'm sure.
No, it's
so
not.
You don't want to just throw it out if possible.
Right. So obviously, the first thing when you get something like this home is fill it with water, because that's what's going to help. And if it's filled with just in a glass vase, you want to change the water every so many days. But obviously, things like the peonies, these are going to be the first flowers to go. I mean, really, their lifespan is only a couple of days. Okay. So what can we do as we start to pare down this arrangement? Let's start out now with a couple of ideas. Obviously, the vase size is going to get a little bit smaller. So choose some really, beautiful vases and fill it with things like rocks, rice, grains of rice, or even how about these little cuties?
This just pops.
Yeah,
and they last quite a while too.
They do. They last a long time. And then fill this with water, and then do something creative. You can get this at any supermarket or florist. Something like bear grass, or this is lily grass. Yeah, I like to do off-center arrangements, not make everything so perfectly perfect. But you put a little bit of grass in there, and then you start to fill in with some of your flowers, like these peonies that we have over here, and you can add things from your garden, but just look how pretty the color.
And with these different types of vases,
it's of color.
Easy to rearrange and change.
Absolutely, you don't have to go high because in the arrangements, a lot of time the flowers are already cut short.
Right.
But simple things like that, and then even the orchids. I mean, just look how beautiful that looks in a simple bowl. Just put some of the orchids in there. Put in some fresh water every day, and you've got an amazing centerpiece.
And it really is amazing how long orchids can last too. They look more fragile, but they really last
a long time.
Like you're saying, the fresh water.
Keep them wet. Okay.
Yeah.
The next thing, this is obviously from Kathy's Marketplace.
That's beautiful.
This is a branch vase. These are real branches dipped in bronze. You fill it with water, and I want to show you just creative arrangements, one-of-a-kind arrangements you can make. I cut these from my yard. These are just simple areca palms.
This one, so you can see better.
Simple areca palms, and I'm going to take some of the orchids out of my arrangement, and you can make one-of-a-kind arrangements with this, because you see how the branches just kind of grabs onto these pieces. Look how amazing, Laura. Even you could do this.
I could do that.
Even Paul. Paul could do this.
We're running out of time. Let's get to this again. You had a great idea for some of the branches and the types of foliage.
If you can't come into our showroom to get this, get your own branches here. And look how simple, Laura. You can add flowers.
And this too.
And butterfly reflectors, little things.
How easy that would be to put that on there. Yeah. Simple.
And you have a one-of-a-kind arrangement. You can add the little tubes to fill these with water or let them dry really, really pretty. But you're going to have a simple, beautiful arrangement that is going to last you a while.
Nice.
Isn't that amazing?
See, you make everything simple. That's why it's so easy.
I like it. And look, at the very end, stick one of the monsteras in a vase. You're done.
Good stuff. All right, thanks so much, Kathy. And of course, she's going to be back next week from her showroom for another edition of Homestyle Sunday. Always joining us. And as you can find information about Kathy's Marketplace on the As Seen On section of our website, KITV.com. Good stuff.